Having trouble with long lines and fumbling cash at your shop or event? Imagine a world where customers simply scan a code, pay instantly, and keep the good times rolling. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Well, that world isn't some futuristic fantasy. It's here, and it's powered by the humble, yet mighty, Venmo QR code. For businesses, big or small, and for anyone hosting an event where transactions are happening, the ability to accept quick, seamless payments is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Think about it: a bustling craft fair, a pop-up shop with eager customers, a food truck with a line stretching down the block, even a charity fundraiser. In all these scenarios, friction in the payment process can mean lost sales, frustrated customers, and a general dampening of the good vibes you're trying to create. Traditional payment methods, while still valid, often introduce this friction. Handling cash requires making change, tracking notes, and the constant worry of theft. Card readers, while convenient, can sometimes be slow, require specific hardware, or even incur transaction fees that eat into your profits, especially for smaller businesses or one-off events. And who hasn't experienced the awkwardness of someone fumbling for their wallet or trying to remember their card details while a queue builds up behind them? This is where the Venmo QR code swoops in like a financial superhero. It's not just about accepting payments, it's about streamlining the entire transaction experience. For your customers, it's about speed and convenience. Most people already have Venmo on their phones, and scanning a QR code is as natural as taking a picture. No more digging for cards, no more counting out change. Just a quick scan, a tap to confirm, and they're done. This ease of use translates directly into a better customer experience, which, as any savvy business owner knows, is paramount for repeat business and positive word of mouth. But the benefits extend far beyond just customer convenience. For you, the business owner or event organizer, the Venmo QR code offers a suite of advantages that can significantly impact your operations. First, there's the simplicity of setup. Unlike traditional point-of-sale systems that can be complex and costly to implement, getting a Venmo QR code up and running is incredibly straightforward. You don't need fancy hardware, expensive software, or a team of IT specialists. All you need is your smartphone and an existing Venmo business profile. This low barrier to entry makes it an ideal solution for small businesses, solopreneurs, and event organizers who might not have the budget or technical expertise for more elaborate setups. Then there's the cost-effectiveness. While Venmo does have some fees for business transactions, they are often competitive with, if not lower than, traditional credit card processing fees. For events or pop-up shops where every penny counts, minimizing transaction costs can make a real difference to your bottom line. Plus, there's no need to purchase or rent dedicated card readers, which can save you a significant upfront investment. Security is another major plus. Venmo, as part of the PayPal family, employs robust security measures to protect both buyers and sellers. Transactions are encrypted, and there are safeguards in place to prevent fraud. This peace of mind allows you to focus on your products, your customers, and the success of your event, rather than worrying about the security of your payments. Furthermore, Venmo offers transaction tracking and reporting. Every payment received through your QR code is recorded in your Venmo business account. This means you can easily see who paid what, when they paid it, and for what. This data is invaluable for reconciliation, understanding your sales trends, and even for tax purposes. No more manual tallying or trying to decipher scribbled notes at the end of a long day. It's all there, organized and accessible. Finally, and perhaps most importantly in today's digital age, is the professionalism and modern appeal it lends to your business or event. Offering a Venmo QR code shows that you're tech-savvy, forward-thinking, and committed to providing a seamless experience for your customers. In a world where digital payments are becoming the norm, not having a convenient mobile payment option can make your business feel outdated. Having a Venmo QR code signals that you're keeping pace with customer expectations and embracing the latest payment technologies. So, you're convinced. You want to ditch the cash headaches and embrace the future of payments. But how do you actually get your hands on one of these magical Venmo QR codes for your shop or event? It's simpler than you might think, and we're going to walk through it step by step. Step 1. Set up your Venmo business profile. Before you can generate a QR code, you need to ensure you have a Venmo business profile. This is crucial because personal Venmo accounts are not designed for commercial transactions and have different terms of service. Using a personal account for business can lead to issues, including account suspension. If you already have a personal Venmo account, converting it to a business profile is straightforward. If you're new to Venmo entirely, you'll simply create an account and then choose the business profile option during setup. To create a business profile from an existing personal account, open the Venmo app. Tap on the Me tab, your profile icon. Tap the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Create a Business Profile. You'll be guided through a series of prompts where you'll need to enter details about your business. This includes your business name, category, e.g., retail, food, services, a brief description, and your business address. Make sure these details are accurate and professional, as this information will be visible to your customers. You'll also need to link a bank account to your business profile for payouts. This is how you'll transfer the funds you receive from Venmo into your actual bank account. If you're creating a brand new Venmo account, download the Venmo app from your app store. Sign up with your email and phone number. During the sign-up process, you'll be given the option to create a personal or business profile. Select Business and follow the prompts to input your business information and link your bank account. Once your business profile is set up and verified, you're ready for the next exciting step. Step 2. Accessing your QR code. With your business profile active, getting your QR code is incredibly easy. Venmo generates a unique QR code specifically for your business that customers can scan to pay you directly. Open the Venmo app and make sure you're logged into your business profile. You can usually switch between personal and business profiles from the Me tab if you have both. On your business profile screen, you should see an option labeled QR code or QR code icon. Tap on this. Voila! Your unique Venmo QR code will appear on your screen. This is the code your customers will scan. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.